Welcome back to this fabulous channel. Welcome back to the City of Sin. If you all are new to the channel or stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for all of these epic adventures, but today we are here at the Bellagio in Las Vegas. We're gonna do a quick reopening walking tour of the Bellagio and show you guys what the Bellagio has done in its reopening. So I hope you guys enjoy this walking tour today. It should be a good one. This is probably one of my favorite resorts and casinos in Las Vegas for multiple different reasons, not just the fountains, but they also have the botanical gardens as well. They have a great sports book in here and a great poker room. Unfortunately, I believe that the poker room is closed, so we're going to test that theory once we get up here a little bit further and see indeed if this poker room is actually going. The poker room that we saw at MGM and New York were currently closed, so I would anticipate that the poker room here at the Bellagio would be closed as well. So we're going to take you guys down this little entranceway. So this entranceway will take you down to the Las Vegas Boulevard. There's actually a skywalk that will take you over to Bally's. There's a skywalk that will take you over to Caesars. As you can see, a lot of these shops within the Bellagio are still closed. Tiffany & Company over to the right is closed. Some of these are actually open. So Bottega is actually open on the left. Chanel is actually closed on the right. So some are open, some are closed. So if you're coming here to do some shopping, I would just encourage you to check and see if the store that you're anticipating the shopping in is actually open. One of the things that I did want to film and get done for you is filming the Caesars Forum shops, because a lot of retail businesses I think are going to struggle extremely difficult circumstances given this coronavirus. So it'll be interesting to tour the forums. So I think after I get done with this walking tour, we'll go through the forums as well. As you can see, heavy security here in the Bellagio. They have security in the red, also uniformed Metro officers here as well. So guest safety is their #1 priority here in Las Vegas. They're always going to try and ensure that every single guest is as safe as can possibly be, which is a plus. I always like it, but the one thing that I do hate is that right now security has way too much time on their hands. They have too much time to pester around, see what everybody's doing, and basically get in everybody's business. Like I said, those hand washing stations are everywhere. There's one on the left hand side. They do keep them very clean. I was actually thoroughly impressed. When I first saw them, I thought they were going to be a joke. They wouldn't be really anything that would be used, and they're actually used quite a bit. So this Snacks little restaurant is open. As you can see on the ground, they do have the little feet to keep you safe, keep you socially distanced from the people in front of you and from the people behind you. Over on my left, you'll see the casino floor here at the fabulous Bellagio. Over to my right, there is a bar. This is the casino bar here at the Bellagio. The lobby bar is actually a little bit further up towards the lobby. This is, over on my right-hand side, will be the sports book. So this is the sports bar here at MGM, and then directly ahead of us is the poker room, which you can see is currently closed, but right now the sports book, oddly enough, is actually open and ready for business. Poker room is still closed. Right now you'll get a beautiful shot of the casino floor here. I'm going to take you up towards where some of the shows would be, where the buffet is going to be here at the Bellagio. Kind of work our way around, take you to the botanical gardens and things like that. So there's going to be plenty of stuff to see on this walking tour. So the O Theater is actually straight ahead of us. Over to the right is where you can purchase your tickets for the O Theater for the Circus du Soleil show. That is in the O Theater currently right now. As you can see straight up ahead, that's the Circus du Soleil gift shop, where you can get all your gift and accessories right there right after you get done with the show. But they have tons of stuff to show in this Bellagio casino, which I'll show you all here in just a second. So let's continue this walking tour. Straight up ahead on my right is the buffet here at the Bellagio. So if you are looking for the buffet, it's right here, but it's currently closed. Like we had said, they will open those and announce those a little bit later. So once those do open up, we will check those out and show you guys some of the